welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. We crawled through a hole in the wall. There is the entrance right there. So there's this little hole in the wall that we crawled through. There was a pipe going across here, so we went ahead and cut that as it went from this box down up into that box. So we cut that out so we could walk through it because I was like army crawling through there. But we went ahead and demoed out normal receptacles. Those were just blanks. The 28 circuit was critical, or one of these was critical. I think the 23 was critical. There was 28 that went from there over to there, down to there. And there's another 23 down there that was critical. Just a whole bunch of receptacles that we pulled out, turned all the circuits off. Always treat it as if it's hot. That's what we did. Pulled this one out, which went up to a home run box, which is outside this door. Pulled these ones out right there. As I said, there's this door right here. It's about like a foot. So we went ahead and cut this tile so we could just leave that on the other side so we didn't make any dust. Took a circuit out of this box over here for lighting, or not lighting, I don't remember, but we took a circuit out of there. We took all those circuits out right there, which jumped over to another box over here. So I had to I had to get those out. And then took all these covers off. There was a receptacle there, right there. That one's still hot. And then one right there. So we took all those out. And then we started to take some of the lights out. That one's still on, obviously, but we took out that one that was there and some can lights that were here and right here. So these are the circuit numbers. That was the backlight that we took out. So all these are still hot. We never touched those. So yeah, east, west. And yeah, that's pretty much what we did mostly all day in here, taking out all the wire, all the receptacles, 3 of the lights out of the 4, or 3 out of 5 lights, because this is still hot. This is coming from who knows where. So yeah, that's pretty much what we worked on today. So yeah, so that's pretty successful, and that was a good time. So nice and safe. Anyways, that's gonna wrap it up, guys. I think that's about it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next one. God bless. Peace.